Yo, what's up, guys? Today, I'm hacking together a sick addition to my busy board. A random blink circuit using an Arduino. Most of the buttons on my board light up specific LEDs, but I wanted to drop in a wild card. A button that sparks a random LED party every time you press it. And yeah, I got some help from ChatGPT to pull this off. I started by laying out my project details, and ChatGPT fired back with a complete code and a neat circuit diagram. Copy-paste into the Arduino IDE, upload, and boom! Ready to roll. Of course, nothing ever goes perfectly on the first try. I messed up the wiring a couple of times and even fried pin 3, RIP pin 3. So I rerouted everything to pin 4 and fixed the switch wiring after a few rounds of trial and error. Each mistake was a chance to learn something new, and that's what this project is all about. After some serious debugging and reworking, I finally got the circuit to deliver the random LED sequence exactly how I imagined it. Every press of the button triggers a rad, unpredictable light show. If you're into hands-on projects and want to push your Arduino skills to the next level, check out the code and circuit diagram in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've got any tips or questions about your own builds. Stay tuned for more epic tech projects. And remember, every mistake is just a step toward mastery. Catch you in the next build.